Okay, this is page 10 in your OneNote Dividing Fractions tab. I'm just going to go through a couple of these with you, dividing mixed numbers. I'm going to start at the bottom because we probably did some in class and your job was maybe to finish them at home. So I'll start here with number 10. Remember, when we have dealing with mixed numbers, we have to change them to improper fractions first. So we start by saying 2 times 9 plus 1. So that would give us 19 over 2. And then we change this one. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 4 more is 58 over 6. And that's just getting our division problem set up. Now to divide fractions, remember we keep, change, flip. So we will keep this first fraction. We will change the sign, and we will flip this second fraction. And then we look for where we can simplify ahead of time so we don't have to multiply such big numbers. We can simplify the 2 and the 6 right away, we see. And then, let's see, does 19 go into 58? 19 times, let's see. I don't really think that it maybe does. 19 times 5. 19 times 3. Nope, 19 times 3 gives us 57, so we can't simplify anywhere there. So I think we're stuck with these numbers. So 19 times 3 is 57, straight across. 58 times 1 is 58. And luckily it's not improper, so we have our answer, 57 58ths. Let's check. Yes, 57 58ths is the correct answer. Let's do another one here together, number 9. Again, change them to improper fractions. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 would be 11 eighths. Divided by, and here we do 9 times 4 is 36, plus 4 would be 40 over 9. Now we do our keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction, we change the sign, and then we flip the second fraction, so it becomes 9 over 40. We look for anywhere that we might be able to simplify. I do not see any place, any numerators with denominators that we could simplify, so let's multiply across. We get 11 times 9 is 99, and 8 times 4 is 32, add the 0, and that is simplified. We don't have to worry about trying to find a way to simplify it because we can see we can't simplify anywhere on here. So we can double check our answer. 99 over 320, that is correct. All right, let's do another one here together. Again, we change this. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 2 is 22 over 10. And 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32 over 5. And we have to rewrite it now, and we keep the first fraction, we change the sign, we flip the second fraction, then we look for where we can simplify. We can simplify the 5 and the 10. Both of these end in 2, which means they're even, so 2 goes into both of them. So 2 goes into 22 11 times. 2 goes into 32 16 times. And I think that's the only place that we can simplify. So 11 times 1 is 11, and 2 times 16 is 32. And so our answer is 11 over 32, and that's what it shows there as well. So we're on the right track. One last problem together. We'll do number 7. Ooh, this is a big one. 13 times 12 3 and 1. 156 plus 1 is 157. Better rewrite that better. 157 over 12 divided by 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 more is 34 over 4. Now to rewrite it, we keep the first fraction. We change the sign and we flip the second. I see right here we can simplify this 4 and 12. And then 34 into 157. I'm wondering, 34 times 4, let's see, 16. Okay, 34 doesn't go into it by itself. They aren't even, so 2 doesn't go into it, 3 doesn't go into it. I'm going to guess it's simplified. So we can say then 157 times 1 is 157. 3 times 34 is 102. And then it's improper, so we have to say how many times can 102 go into 157 and go in there one time. And how much would be left over? Well, 7 minus 2 is 5, so 57 would be left over 102. Let's see if that's the answer. 1 and 57. 55 over 102. Oh yeah, 55 left over. That's my mistake there because it went in there one time, and 55 would be left over. Good thing I have those answers to check my work. All right, go ahead, try the others on your own. 6 of them left.